This is called Tongue Creek Branch in southern Alberta. You're talking the most pristine land probably in the country.
What do you think separates RFMA from other schools or courses that people might be considering taking?
I want to say